Welcome to Sustainatopia, our vision of a city for the future. Envision an area, a city with a blend of 6 distinct districts: pure agrarian areas, blended suburban agricultural areas, pure suburban space, metropolitan residential areas, centers of business and commerce, and centers for community services, with a population of 200,000, 4 distinct seasons, and a climate that is mostly 80 degrees Fahrenheit all year round. Sustainatopia will focus on cutting down all forms of waste, primarily through recycling and composting, clean energy production, and integrated agroecology. Autonomous robots will make scheduled house calls to pick up compostable waste to be delivered to a central digester. Materials will be valued for their ability to be reused, repurposed, and for their ability to disintegrate. For instance, water bottles will be replaced with the uhu. This edible product is constructed out of algae. Solar energy will allow Sustainatopia to reach beyond the restrictions of fossil fuels, with solar panels integrated into sidewalks, roofs, and vehicles, like the monorail and electric golf carts. Water wheels, also known as low-interference turbines, will collect free kinetic energy from nearby flowing rivers. Airborne wind turbines will allow for quick and mobile energy harvesting. Airborne designs require no tower construction and can be set at much higher altitudes, where breezes are more powerful. Energy collected will be transferred through the suspension wires that keep the airborne turbines in place. Each kinetic pavement square will harvest the kinetic energy from a human footstep, transferring this energy into usable electricity that can power anything. Agriculture is an essential component of the city, and citizens should collectively participate in the agricultural process. Once incorporated into small-scale farms, animals will be useful for soil fertilization and beneficial disturbances. Use of harmful pesticides will not be incorporated into Sustainatopia. Sustainatopians will be mindful about how land is treated. Blended suburban agriculture will incorporate small-scale farming and gardening among homes. This gives Sustainatopians power over their diets. Sustainatopia will blend agriculture into every aspect of the city, including both metropolitan and residential areas. Keeping the process of food production within the minds of our citizens is important. Give a human a salad, feed them for an hour. Teach a human to grow crop, feed them for the rest of their life. We would like a banker and a construction worker to be able to discuss the progress of this season's tomato crop. Within the city suburbs, large-scale greenhouses will be built specifically to house food forests and perennial crop, but one also has the ability to incorporate nature's green goodness within large live-in housing structures. Indoor factory farms will feasibly be able to grow high-yielding crop varieties year-round. These will be used for short-lived seasonal crops like lettuce or spinach. Incorporating a variety of eco-friendly design into Sustainatopia's infrastructure will include photovoltaic solar panels, passive solar technology for heat, and green walls and rooftops, which reduce indoor temperatures during the summer season. Grocery stores and supermarkets will work directly with local farmers, ensuring that transportation costs for produce are at a minimum and that spoilage becomes a non-issue. Another way our city will embrace agriculture is through garden-to-table style restaurants, where customers can learn about their meal's origin, production, and preparation, further empowering citizens to take control over their diets. We would like to see our citizens embrace alternative modes of clean transportation. This includes a citywide monorail system, bicycles or manual-powered vehicles, and electric motor-powered vehicles. Recreation is an essential component of any community. In Sustainatopia, we will offer our citizens gyms that return energy to the community, a central amphitheatre for entertainment, and abundances of park space for outdoor activities. A power-generating gym provides a mutual experience, both for the ecosystem and the being operating it, providing yet another clean source of energy, further emphasizing the green and healthy lifestyle that this community provides. A massive community amphitheatre will serve as a central place for town hall meetings, cinema, live theater, and musical performances. Located along the outer perimeter of the city, community parks and overlapping nature trails will provide citizens with quiet open space